What kind of Ruffles are the best kind of Ruffles?
Let's plop in. Hello and welcome back to the Potty Mouth Show.
Guys, everybody loves a good Ruffles potato chip. As the old commercial says, Ruffles has ridges, and those crispy, crunchy ridges couldn't taste better than when it's in your mouth. But Ruffles has 8 original recipe, chips and
Flavors?
2 flavors. That's a better word.
Sure.
And 2 double crunchies. But today we're going to be comparing the Ruffles flavors and determining the best Ruffles chip, all on a segment that we like to call Shooting the Shit. Alright, so how this is going to work is we have 8 of the original Ruffles chips. We have original and all dressed,
Cheddar sour cream, along with queso,
jalapeno ranch, and lime jalapeno.
flaming hot, and hot wings.
And the hot wings is a double crunch. So how this is going to work is we're going to compare those two and doing a kind of like a bracket all the way down to determine the best Ruffles potato chip. The winner will be crowned victorious and placed upon the porcelain throne. The first up in the bracket is original and all dressed. Now these are Canadian favorite.
Canadian favorite.
Yeah, it says #1 in Canada. I about said Canada. But these are #1 in Canada.
Ooh.
So, I think we gotta start off with the original. We have to.
That's fine.
Okay.
Let's open up both at the same time.
Yeah. Cheers. I mean, an original Ruffles chip,
It's so good.
you've got the crunch, the saltiness,
Really a little bit of sweetness to it.
a little bit, like the potato adds a little bit of sweetness that you don't get with Lay's, by the way. I will say that.
You know what's even better about these?
What?
Is that you can do any kind of dip.
The Canadia's favorite.
Canadians.
I'm gonna grab a few of these. They smell good.
I'm going to give it the same chance
Alright, fine. Fair enough. Here we go.
with the big chip.
Big chip.
Hey.
Wow.
I taste a lot of hints of barbecue.
I do too, but I get that vinegar on the back end.
Yeah.
So it's not like, it's not overwhelming. Like, it's very subtle.
For me, I say all dressed.
All dressed or moving on in the bracket. We'll see you guys a little bit later. Like I said, these are not bad at all, but all dressed edges them out. Alright, so next up we have cheddar and sour cream versus
Queso.
oh man. Alright. I don't know.
I've never had queso before.
I've never had these. You had queso. You've never had these queso chips before.
Yeah.
You said I've never had queso.
Yeah.
I've
never had queso before. We're talking about
Yeah,
chips.
the chips. Okay, fair
Come
enough.
on,
Sorry.
man.
Sorry.
Come on,
I'm
man.
drunk. Screw. Anyway. Oh my god. I mean, there's just something to be said about how much cheddar you actually get out of these chips.
Fat boy happy. You gotta go 2.
I got 3, 2, 1. Oh,
That's pretty good.
wow. I'm indifferent. So whichever one you go with, I'm going to go with. Because I like both of them equally. So whichever one you decide, I'm with 100%.
I gotta go with these.
All right. Queso's moving forward. I mean, I'm indifferent. I love both of these equally.
Oh, they're both amazing.
I think I'm more nostalgic to this one. So Blake says queso. I'm going queso. Queso is the winner. And moving on. This is going to be a tough competitor against All Dressed.
Especially if they beat this.
We have
I saw ranch.
Jalapeno ranch versus lime and jalapeno. You said that at the same time. All right. Double dipping? Double dip? I'm drunk. It's fine. Are you drunk at all? I'm tipsy.
A little bit.
Yeah, okay. Cool.
As we miss.
Let's do this. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh. Nope. Nope. Nope.
A whole lot of sweet.
Nope.
Well,
No. It's not the sweet.
it's a lot of sweet with
No.
a lot of spice.
No. It's sour with jalapeno.
Sour.
Sour. Dude, eat that one.
Okay.
It is sour. It's not. It is sour. 100%. If this is any better, I mean like a half a point better. Like if we were rated on a scale of, if we were to rate this and this was half a point better, I'm not like.
Brother, this is ranch.
Alright, let's do it. I'm grabbing like big ass chips. I'm not even.
Same.
Hey! Click. Not even a question. Jalapeno and ranch is moving on.
Alright, so next we have Flamin' Hot.
Alright, versus Double Crunch. Okay, so this is the only one that we have that we could get that's Double Crunch. I mean, yeah, I'm not. Okay. I'm not unimpressed. Alright, let's cheers.
Look at that. Would you look at that?
I mean, the ridges are very defined.
Very much so. Ready?
And potatoes don't look like that.
Ready?
Yeah, cheers.
Here you go. Ooh. Let's try one more.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Here we go. Actually, does taste like a hot wing.
Yeah.
That's impressive. That part is impressive. So
They have mimicked the taste of a buffalo wing. Like, that's very... Wow.
that's very good.
The more I chew, the better it is.
Yep. Cheers.
Yeah. This one.
Why?
You get more flavor. This one is allspice. 100%.
100%.
Double Crunch Hot Wings is moving forward. Let's move on to the next one. Alrighty. Next up in the bracket we have Queso versus allspice.
Ooh.
Why is that allspice? It's all dressed. I keep saying allspice.
All right, let's try it again.
Well, am I one of those Spice Girls? No, it's fine. It's funny. Am I one of those Spice Girls or something? I don't even know. Let's start with the queso because this one kind of had like an outstanding performance against sour cream. I'm only gonna grab one because one is enough.
Sounds good.
All right.
Yeah, it's about the same shape, right?
Yeah. This is a good chip.
It really is.
Ready? Do it. Oh my god. That is so good.
It's very hard.
It's dippable. It has the right amount of sweetness to the right amount of spice. Dude, this is so well balanced.
I'm going to have to go with them.
Allspice wins, man. This is so good.
All dressed.
What did I say? What did I say?
Allspice?
God damn it. All dressed wins. It
All
is
dressed.
amazing. I am so drunk.
All dressed.
Alright, next one is... Okay, this is the tough one. Jalapeno Ranch versus the Hot Wings. Wow, I smacked that really hard. Let's do this. Cheers.
Cheers.
Hold on. Jalapeno. Yeah. There's just, it's something about the vinegar. Wow. The vinegar and the ranch, like, there's a balance.
Amazing.
Because ranch has mayonnaise in it. So, like, the mayonnaise and the cream and everything balances out the vinegar. And it's not as strong. But it has the spice that you want. So it's like, it's not overpowering.
Yep.
Versus the hot wings where it's very, like, to your face.
Yep.
And I think we're in agreement. Yeah.
Ranch.
Ranch, 100% wins one. Which is, like you said, is a competitor.
It really is.
Yeah, it's a very good competitor. We have the final two. We have All Dressed. Did I say it right?
Yep.
Holy shit, I actually got it right. Versus
Jalapeno Ranch.
Did you know that, or do you remember that?
Oh, I know that.
Because you love ranch. Alright, yeah. Honestly, I never thought this would happen.
Nope.
Because I thought that original would make it a lot further than it did. I'm so drunk. Shut up. Don't even. So let's start with these. Same. Let's do
There
it.
we go. So good. Okay. With that being said,
Oh man.
I'll let you go first.
I don't know. Because
I know exactly which one I picked. After tasting both of them.
you're gonna pick this one. You're gonna pick the ranch.
Dude, they
jalapeno.
have the sweet with the spice.
Yeah.
Now, granted, I am a ranch lover, okay, but I do love barbecue. And this has a really good barbecue flavor to it,
It does.
okay?
It really does.
I love both of them when it comes to it.
I'm assuming you're with jalapeno ranch.
I am.
So that's the one that wins, guys. Jalapeno and ranch
Hi-yo.
wins. Wins the Ruffles flavor. Jalapeno and ranch. If you guys want to buy it and let us know, please let us know. But it is crowned victorious and placed on the porcelain throne.
Thank you guys for liking and subscribing.
We'll see you guys next time on the Potty Mouth Show. Let's chug, brother.
Chug. Okay.